Yeah, g'day. I was reading a recipe the other day about a sauce called mushroom sauce, which apparently is very similar to Worcestershire, yeah, that sauce with W that no one can say the name of. So I'm going to have a go at making it. I'll talk you through the steps. It's going to take me a couple of days, but it'll only take you guys a couple of minutes to see that happen. So you need to gather the following ingredients. Some mushrooms, some apple cider vinegar, some anchovies, ground allspice, whole cloves, table salt, and a clean jar. So your first step is to finely chop your mushrooms and then put them in the jar. Let's do that. Next we add about 10% of the weight of the mushrooms and salt. I don't know how much was in here. I'm guessing a couple of 100 grams. So I've put 2 tablespoons of salt in there, and then I'm going to put the lid on and shake it up. Okay, so the idea is that the salt will draw the liquid out of the mushrooms. So we leave it for 48 hours. Here's one I started last night. This has also got onions and chili and stuff in it. You can see the juice starting to form to about this level here. We'll leave these two for another 48 hours, and then we will go to the next step. That's when we'll use all the other bits and pieces. Yeah, g'day. So we're on to day 2, or it's actually day 3 of the mushroom sauce. It's been sitting in the fridge. I dumped it into the pot before I remembered I was going to be videoing this, so let's have a look. So we've got the pot just gone here, and there's the mushrooms, onion, chilies and garlic, and that's just going to start simmering. To that I'll add some anchovies, a little bit of black pepper, some allspice, some cloves, and I'll let it simmer down. So there's those items added. Give it a stir. Forgot how salty anchovies were. I just ate one. Yum. I'll just have a couple more with some crackers. Put the lid on and come back in about half an hour. Oops, well, it's boiling up nicely. Let that simmer away for another bit longer. A nice day for a premium stout. Brewed here in Christchurch. Well, after squeezing all the water out, I basically rolled these up in mutton cloth and then squeezed and ended up with these dry balls of mushroom puree. I got the juice here, to which I added 2/3 of a bottle of organic cider vinegar, creating this product here, which although it's not quite Worcester sauce, it's a spicy, salty, umami treat that will go well in any stew or marinade. So I look forward to using that over the next couple of weeks. Yeah, so it's my first time making something like this, and yeah, I think it was a success. Over the next couple of weeks I want to make some sauerkraut and bits and pieces as well. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up, even subscribe. If you don't like it, please tell me why. But thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.